Hi everybody, welcome to today's video where we will be learning how to factorize brackets. So first make sure that you've watched the two previous videos on algebra basics and expanding brackets to ensure you have a full understanding of this topic as well. So factorizing is the opposite of expanding. So in the expanding brackets video, we saw questions like this, 3 times x plus 2, and we made them into 3x plus 6 by expanding the brackets. Factorizing is the opposite, so we'll get the question 3x plus 6 and we'll learn how to put that back into 3x plus 2. It seems simple, but when the numbers get bigger, it's a bit harder, and you need to follow a method. So let's look at the first example. So first you need to find the highest common factor of both the coefficients. So remember what a coefficient is from the algebra basics video. It's the big number in front of the x, or in this case it can be this 20 as well. So 4x plus 20. So the highest common factor of 4 and 20 is the number 4. So the highest common factor goes outside the bracket. So if we put 4 outside the brackets, and now we have to work out what we have to multiply the 4 by to get the value we need. So we need 4x. So 4 times x is 4x, and then to get 20 we do 4 times 5. Therefore the answer is 4x plus 5. Let's try another example. This example has a minus in it. 15x minus 3. So first we have to find the highest common factor, which is 3. And then we put the 3 outside the brackets. So we have to work out how we get from 3 to 15x. So we have to times by 5x. And then to get to 3 to minus 3, we times by minus 1. So inside the brackets, we will have 5x minus 1. Try out these 8 questions and pause the video. If you finish early, you have a challenge to complete as well. Good luck! Here are the answers. Comment down below how you did. Let's try another example, slightly more difficult. X squared plus 10x. So the highest common factor in this would be x. So therefore we put x outside the brackets this time. So to get x squared, you have to do x times x. So therefore the first number in the bracket would be x. Remember, x squared is x times x, not x plus x. To get from x to 10x, you just multiply by 10, so you put 10 inside the brackets. Therefore your answer would be x, and in the brackets x plus 10. Let's try another example. In this example, the highest common factor isn't just x, it's actually 5x. This is because 10x is 10 times x, and 5x squared is 5 times x times x. In both of these, you can see the value x, but you also have 5, because 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 is also in 10 if you times it by 2. Therefore, you put 5x outside the brackets. And inside the brackets, you need to put an extra x, because if you see here, you had 5x times x. So we put 5x in the brackets, therefore we have 1x remaining. And here we put 5x, so if we divide that by 5, we get 2. So therefore what's left is 2, because we put the x in the brackets as well. Therefore, inside the brackets, you'd put x plus 2. Try this one out by yourself. So again here we follow the same method. We find a factor which is in both values, the highest common factor. So 2x cubed and 12x squared. 12x squared is 12 times x, and 2x cubed is 2 times x times x times x 3 times. So here we have x times x, which is found in both of them. So therefore we put 2x squared outside the brackets, because there's a 2 in 2x cubed and there's also a 2 in 12x squared if you times it by 6. So we put 2x squared outside the brackets, and then because we've got rid of 2 times x times x, 2 times x times x, that means we only have one remaining x here, and we have a 6 here because we got the 2 out and then we got 2 x's out. So therefore inside the brackets you would put x plus 6. Here are a bunch of questions for you to try. You can pause the video here and try as many as you can. The answers will be in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share with your friends. Bye!